Hey guys, so I was looking for so long time for some really simple slideshow JavaScript, and now I found it. So I'm not gonna talk a lot, but I will try to type as fast as I can, and so you can follow me as well. We'll start with HTML file, and I will embed JavaScript there too. So that's basic start for HTML, where we're gonna put our slides, and then we'll add script to make it work. In my program I'll have just 3 slides, but you can choose as many as you wish. So we do a div here where we're gonna put our pictures. So our script, which is JavaScript code, knows where to implement those changes. I'm not gonna do body and stuff, but actually let's make it. Looks more professional, kind of. So I'll create 2 links. One is show previous, the other is show next. So those are kind of buttons that you can click on. If you click on show previous, it will show you previous picture. If you click on show next, it will click on next picture. In this code you're not gonna have any endings, so doesn't matter how many pictures you have. If you click on show next, it will have a loop, so doesn't matter how many times you click, you'll have a loop. Okay, that's our JavaScript name to work. So if you start in the beginning and you decide to click show previous, which is impossible because you just open the web page, it will prompt you to the last. So if you have, let's say, 3 pictures, this function shows change image, which is -1. So if you have now page open on 1, you'll do -1. So we'll work on it, and you'll see how it looks when it works. We should go together. So here's our first link, which is show previous. To make it look as a button, kind of, you need to create href, which is anchor, which you create to make links. In this image section we'll put our first image. That's where we start all the time, and I just call them slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3, which makes my life easier. So slide 1 will be automatically shown when you download page in the browser. Okay, that's where we put our picture. And the third link, that's another moment that we need in our HTML file. After that, only script. So whenever you click, which we'll say here on click, doesn't mean, it means when you click here, it's gonna show you the next slide. In my case, it's gonna be slide 2. Okay. Show next, that's our second link. Let's close it. Looks alright, no errors I guess, otherwise it would have weird colors. You can put it there too, so it looks better. Now let's do script. Script you do, if you do it in the HTML file, I mean in the same file, do it before closing body tag. I'm sure you know that, but just in case. So let's create variable which contains all our images. Images. Let's do square brackets. I'm saying square brackets and do curve brackets. Okay, slide 1. That's my case. If you have something like me and my cat, me and my dog, just do whatever pictures you have. But you can just rename them all the time. Slide 2. And the last in my case is slide 3, of course. Okay, close it. Variable image number is 0, that's where we start. In any string or array, it's always 0. Next, image length. And you need to take images dot length -1. So we'll figure it out after. So images length -1, and our function that does all work in here. Let's call it change image because we called it this here. Change image, that's our function, that's where we call it. So we call, whenever we click on the link show next or show previous, we call this function. We need to call it in order for this function to work. X here, it's just a slide that you call. Okay. Image number. To the shortcut here, X. So if an end of array is reached, then slideshow starts all over again. Let's do this here. If image number more than image length, then we put the first image, which is image number 0. Close it. Second case, if image number less than 0, it can happen if we just download a page and we click on show previous. So we do image number equals image length, and we'll go to our last image here. So then document dot, here we had ID slideshow, so our script, our JavaScript code knows where in HTML file and where in website we need to put our image. So here in image section we created this ID, and now we need to get it. We do it by typing get element by ID, which is slideshow, Make sure it's element, not elements, capitalized. It really matters. If you screw that, your code's not gonna work. And you'll spend hours to figure it out. So be careful with syntax. Image number. So in images, whatever number we got here, we go to our array, which is variable images array here, and we're looking for this number. So slide 1 has number 0, slide 2 number 1, slide 3 number 2. That's what you learn when you read about arrays and how all the procedure works and where it starts counting. It always starts with the 0. Okay. I think I'm done here. Let's close our function and let's close our script. I think it's good now. Okay, let me show you how my folder look like. So I have here HTML file. I just called it show. Doesn't matter how you call it. So I have HTML here and script implemented in there too. And 3 slides. I did them kind of same size, but that's really up to you. Let's open it in the browser. I use Chrome. Oh, not here, so let's see Google. Show. Here's my file. I just created that with you. Open slide 1. So look at that. If we click show previous, it prompts us to slide 3. Let's hope. Yeah. Okay. And we can click on that forever. It's a loop, so it never stops. Oh, show next doesn't work. Oh gosh, that always happens. Let's see what was wrong. Okay. Yes, no, yes. Not here. I'm just going through the stuff to see where I had a mistake. Looks fine. Let's see what our browser says. I use developer tools to figure out in Chrome. You click on the right side under your red close button where you see more tools. Click on developer tools. It usually shows you the errors. Now I have 3. All those 3 errors that I have. Fun, not fun. Hey, what's up? Oh, I don't know, let's see. For YouTube, slideshow. Let's try slideshow next. And that's it. Hey, it's not supposed to be like that. I'm sure it's some typing stuff somewhere here. Okay. Hey, that's where you go. Image number equals 0. Let's see how it works now. I save that. Okay, show previous. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Let's try this. Show next. Yeah, see? That's why syntax really matters. Okay, thanks for watching that. Even if you just watched it for 1 minute and click through the stuff, I hope it helps you, because this code really helped me. Okay, Thank you guys.